Hey guys, testing out my DJI Pocket 3. First thing I'm gonna do is bake cupcakes. We got our cake mix right here. We have our 4 eggs right here. Stick of butter that's melted, it's about a half cup of butter. Lastly, our cup of milk. And now we just need to give that a nice mix. Once it's all mixed, it should look something like this. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just gonna scoop a little bit in each one. They're done baking. I don't have a toothpick, so I'm just gonna use the skewer to do it. There we go. Sprinkles on there. And there you have it. That's pretty good.